What's up, YouTube? This is JB, back with another video, back with another Mustang video. I'm in the truck right now, so let's go ahead and get this video started. Alright, so last week I got the call that my suspension parts were done being powder coated, but I was out of town, so I couldn't go pick them up. So now I'm back in town, got the free time, so I'm about to go pick them up. Trying to get there in time before they close, try to beat this rain, and I'm gonna have to fight with this Atlanta traffic. So go ahead and take this ride with me. While you're here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you can be part of this 67 fastback build. So, all right, let's get on this road and get there. Alright, so I know I told y'all I was trying to rush and get there, so I did beat the rain, but as you can see, I hit the traffic. So I had to call and let them know I was gonna be late, so they waited for me, but I had to rush and, you know, load everything in the truck, pay for everything. So I'll get y'all a video once I get home. But as you can see, I got the whole back loaded with parts. I got stuff here, I got stuff in the baby seat, and then I got stuff, of course, in the truck bed. So once I get home, I'll go ahead and, you know, open everything up, or open the truck bed and show y'all everything. So just hold on and I'll be home. All right, so I'm back home. Weather's a little different on this side, but I'm sure the rain is coming. But let's go ahead and take a look at these parts. Unlock this truck. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Gotta let this flap down. Alright, so let's take a look at them. I don't know if this video really gonna do it justice, but control arms, sway bars, torque arms. Let's pick up one of these so you can really see it. So I had it done at this shop, Miller's Customs powder coating. They did a great job. Got it to me in the time that they said. And since I was out of town and I told them I was out of town, they held them for me. But here goes some more pieces that I said were inside the car. So as you can see, I have stuff all back here. A lot of these little small pieces. Check this out. I even put the spring in the car seat because I didn't want them to roll around. But these are the ones that came blue, so I wanted them to match the black ones I had. So went ahead and did those black. I even have stuff in the cup holder. So here goes some more pieces. So yeah, so Miller's powder coating, they did a great job on everything. Like I said, got them to me in the time they said they would, and it came out good. I mean, that's all that you can ask for, you know, just to make sure that, you know, everything comes out nice. So that's all that. So now I basically have everything I need, except for now I am waiting on the steering column, which is a long story, with how Jegs messed up my order on that. Maybe I'll talk about that in a later video. So that's all my suspension parts that I had powder coated silver. So I got those back now. So now all I'm waiting on is the steering column. So whenever that comes, then I could drop it off at the shop to get the front suspension put on, the rear suspension, the mini tub, and then I'll bring it back home, do some more stuff, and then it'll be off to body to get body work done. So got some more videos coming. Front suspension, still need to show you guys my rear end, the custom rear end, and I got done at from Quick Performance. Yeah, so you know, make sure that you follow the build. Tell me some more stuff you want to see. I mean, people, you can even get your opinions on some more stuff you think I should do. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and until next time, all right, peace.